Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Outlook not syncing. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This gives you access to your mailbox and lets you check if the syncing issue is still happening before we move forward with the fix. Once your email has been loaded, we're going to fix Microsoft Outlook not syncing by accessing your Windows apps and features. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. An Apps and Features window will appear, and you'll directly land on the list of installed applications on your system. This is where Windows lets you manage, modify, and repair all the apps installed on your computer, including Outlook. From the Apps and Features section, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Type in Outlook and press Enter. This filters the list and shows you only Outlook-related applications, making it easier to find what you need without scrolling through everything. Now, from the results that appear, click on Outlook. This will expand the app entry and show you a few additional options below it. These options let you modify, uninstall, or access advanced settings for the app. From the list of options, click on Advanced Options. This opens a dedicated settings page specifically for Microsoft Outlook where you can manage storage, reset the app, or repair it if something isn't working correctly. From Microsoft Outlook's advanced options, scroll down until you find the Reset section. This section contains tools that can help you troubleshoot and fix issues with the app without losing your account data or settings. Under this section, you'll see the Repair button. Click on it to fix your Outlook not syncing issue. The repair process runs a quick diagnostic and fixes any corrupted files or configuration problems that might be preventing Outlook from syncing properly. You may need to wait a moment while Windows completes the repair process in the background. And that's it. You've just repaired Microsoft Outlook, which should resolve the syncing issue and get your emails updating correctly again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.